For the Lord has gone ahead of me to make every crooked way straight. Oh,